Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 144th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad and now we'll type the program. How to write script tag in body section. So we'll start with HTML tag, head tag. Now we'll add head tag, body tag, script type equals to text slash JavaScript. Language equals to JavaScript. Document.write break tag document.write now we'll add script tag and similarly the body tag and HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 144 with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder and 144 program. So this is the basic output of how to use write script tag in body section. And don't forget to check the text and description for the clear and basic understanding. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for amazing HTML videos.